Seriously? No more battery? Oh man. See, I have the key card. Are you kidding me? No key card? Oh, that's right. You can use this. Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So this past weekend we just had a quick weekend getaway, went to San Diego and we stayed in the hotel for a night, but we totally forgot to bring a phone charger with us because we just didn't plan for this trip. We just wanted to go and just drove off. Then we forgot the phone charger and we forgot the key card, the Tesla key card. So the worst case scenario just happened to us because the phone died, it ran out the battery, and I forgot the key card. But this keyring just saved the trip. So today I'm gonna show you if this keyring really worked and if this keyring can really replace the key card, so I don't have to actually take the key card around because I have to put in my wallet, and guess what, it just keep bending. So today we are going to test if this keyring really can replace that key card. Let's go. Before we go and set this ring up with my Tesla Model 3, let's take a closer look at the ring. As you can see here, you can also customize the ring however you want it. In this case, I picked the black color, which has that like chrome black or a titanium look to it. And you can also choose to have the Tesla logo on the outside of the ring, and you can also customize the inside of the ring to have the letter right there. There's the letter that you can customize. I just put the initial of my family members. There are two options for the ring color, black or white, and here are the sizes for the ring. They do not have half size, so they only have size 6 to size 13, so you have to choose whichever size is closest to your ring size. Then you can choose the ring for Model 3 or Model Y, and the ring is also waterproof, so you can take it to swim, shower. It shouldn't be any problem. Right now, Hancho is currently having a special summer sales. If you use the code DAD, you'll get 20% off on all of their products. So this is a good time if you are planning to get accessories for your Tesla. The sales only last until July 15. After July 15, you'll get 15% off using the same code. It has really nice a little weight to it when I put it on. Now let's go set it up with my Tesla Model 3. Now to connect the keyring to your car is really simple. All you need is the current key card that you have and the new ring. Get that ready. To set up the new keyring to connect to your car, you basically press the car symbol there, which is the main setting. Then you go to locks. Then it will show the current devices and key cards that it's connected to the car right now. And you want to press add on the top right hand corner. Now it will show if you want to add the phone key or the key fob or key card. In this case, it's the key ring, which is similar to key fob or key card. Now it said scan your new key behind the cup holder to begin. So basically we have to put the key ring right there. Then now the car detects the chip that is in the ring. Now it said to tap your current key card to approve pairing. Now we have to tap this one Just like that. Now, as you can see, it shows this is what active right now, which is the key ring. Now we want to edit it so we know which is what. Otherwise, it would just show unknown key. Now we can edit it to. I will just change to pause ring. That's it, and we hit save. There you go. Now we have paw rings. If I remove it, remove the ring, this will disappear. See that? Put the ring back, the paw rings will active again. Really simple to connect and to set up. Okay, now let's test the ring. I do not have phone or key card with me, just to make sure the ring works. Alright, now I'm just gonna tap right underneath the camera on the B pillar of the car, and we'll try to lock the car first. Just gonna tap. There you go. So the car is locked right now. Now let's try to unlock the car and doing the same thing. Tap right there. There you go. As you can see, the ring is working right now. We can unlock the car and lock the car. Now let's try to put the car into reverse. I can't put into drive or to drive. See, when I press my foot on the brake, it will right away ask for the key card. In this case, I don't have the key card. I'm just gonna try to use the ring. See if it recognizes the ring by tapping right here. There you go. It works. It got my profiles ready, and I can put into drive or reverse. Awesome. Wow. The setup, the use, basically just like another key card, but now I don't have to carry the key card around. I just basically have the ring on my finger, on my hand all the time, and this is waterproof. This is really cool. So now both my wife and I, we each have the ring, and now we don't have to worry about forgetting the card or having the phone with us. And one more thing, I would suggest to wear the ring on your right hand side, so if the car suddenly asks for the card or the ring to be tapped right here, so it's easier just to tap it like that instead of having on your left hand and have to go all the way to tap. I didn't realize this keyring will become this handy until I actually have it with me and use it in the situation that I needed it. So as you can see in the video, the setup was really simple, and I can actually use this ring as a key anytime I go to the beach or water activity, because the ring is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about carrying my phone or my wallet with me all the time. I can just use this ring to lock and unlock the car, or even start the car to drive. So don't forget to use the special code from Handsjaw to get that special discount on this ring. And thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and don't forget to click like if you like the video and subscribe for future contents. We'll see you on the next video.